Hey guys, just thought I would do a few YouTube videos today. I want to give you a small little update on the 84 6.9 IDI. I put some, I want to say new tires, but they're not new. They're just tires I had laying around at my grandpa's house. So I'll show you guys. They're not permanent yet. I think I still might buy different tires, but I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna have to wait and see what the budget looks like, but I'll go ahead and show you that right now. So they're pretty dry rot, but they're actually tube tires, so there's an inner tube inside, so I'm not too worried about that. These back ones aren't though. I don't know if you can tell, but I probably should put a fender flare on here. These are actually motorhome rims. I know it's pretty redneck, but it's the farm truck, so I don't care too much. Still got my junk metal in the back. That's a old 350 4-bolt main, if you're wondering. If anybody wants it, you can have it for free. So these tires have really good tread, but I didn't have any 16.5-inch rims for it, so that's why I put them on those motorhome rims, because we had those laying around. And so I do have two more of these tires, but one of them has a bad inner tube right now. So yeah, guess I'll fire it up for you guys. In all honesty, the last cold start video I did, it wasn't really a cold start. I started it once for like 2 seconds just to make sure it would start. Okay, this will be a real cold start though. And I'll put this right underneath the muffler so you can see. There we go. Alright, I'll be right back. Whoa, diesel smoke in the morning. Way to wake up. It's kind of a little smoke coming out of there. It's an old truck though. So, just give you a quick intro. I'm gonna do a cold start on this bad boy too. It's my 2008 turbo diesel Cummins 2500. Haven't started it for like 3 or 4 days. I've been using the old 84. So you guys are gonna like that. Stay tuned for that one. Subscribe, comment, like. Yeah. Alright. That's enough.